rounds out. So out of the corner, looking for the green. There it is, and we are underway with factory stock heat number 1. Down into the corner, they go 3, 4 wide now, all for the race lead up on the outside, the T8.
Jason Travis shows the way off corner number 2. McDonald is second. Rinker third. Marvin fourth. Fifth is Kevin Skelly in a rare Penn Can start. On the corner and leading lap number 1, it's going to be the T8 of Jason Travis.
Skelly working the bottom, able to get by the Marvin 18 car. Now going to go right back to the inside, down to turn 1. McDonald pushes up the track. Here comes the L1 of Rinker taking a peek to the inside. As they head down this back straightaway, your leader already pulling away as he comes down off of 4 to complete lap number 2.
Jason Travis shows the way into the south end of the speedway. Continuing the rim ride to cushion, but he pushes over at that time.
Battle going on for 2, 3, and 4. Skelly also developing a push between the corners, so they'll go back to single file down into turn number 3. Your leader again fighting an ill-handling race car, but so far out in front has not affected him too much. 3 laps complete, 3 to go this time around.
Off of quarter number 2 of the T8 of Jason Travis shows the way. He's got a 15 car length lead over Kevin McDonald. Rinker Skelly going to try to turn up the wick on the inside.
McDonald still maintains the number 2 spot, working the high side, as he's got a couple cars all over the back bumper. The 01 of Rinker and the 67 of Skelly continue to run 3 and 4 on the grid.
Jason Thomas, the T8, makes the I line a preferred line for that car as he rim rides the cushion around the speedway. He sees the white flag one more time around the speedway for the T8, the Rooney's Equipment Service sponsored T8 ride.
McDonald trying to hang on to the spot, pushing way up the track. Rinker's going to head by right there in the middle. The 67 of Skelly trying to do the same, but off of turn number 4, checkered flag will be in the air, and the win goes to the T8 of Jason Travis. Battle for second, third, and fourth down to the line. Rinker holds on for second, McDonald third, Skelly fourth, and the 18 of Marvin routing on the front row. Take him down off of the corner, looking to fire, and they do so. Green flag is out. We're underway with factory stock heat number 2. Down into turn number 1, Scheimer with the advantage.
Scheimer had a great run going a week ago in the feature, had absolute heartbreak in turn number 1 with just a lap and a half, 2 laps to go. Right now he's out front and he is off the pace into turn number 3, but now he gets it back in gear. We're back on the pace and back off the pace. Problems with the 72 plaguing him from hot laps. We'll see how that plays out. Tom Hampton behind his own ride tonight in the number 3 spot.
Hampton working the inside back in position number 3, but your leader, Jeremy Williams in the 00, dominating season so far, leading the field around off of turn number 4 to complete lap 2 this time by.
Williams, the Rods racer, Marty's Market 00 rides it down to the south end. He's got about an 8 car length advantage over the 72S of Scheimer. Then it's the same distance back. The 2.5 of Hampton and the 112 of Naira as the top 4 race it down to the turn number 3 and 4.
Down this time, 3 complete, 3 remaining for the 00 of Williams. Scheimer holding on to second as he opens up some ground over the 2.5 of Tom Hampton in his first start here in 2016. Naira back in position number 4 as they break away from the Towner 9X machine.
Off the corner this time, putting 4 down, 2 to go for the 00 of Jeremy Williams. What else can you say about Jeremy Williams? Has been the dominating car in the factory stock since 2016. Has yet to be beat in regular season competition here at the Penn Can Speedway.
Coming out off of turn number 4, white flag in the air, 5 laps complete. One more time around the speedway for Jeremy Williams in the 00 on cruise control out front, taking him down off of turn 2.
Up the back straightaway for the final time into quarter number 3 and 4. The 00 of Jeremy Williams sees he had another checkered flag in 2016, this time in qualifying heat number 2. Second will be the 72S of Scheimer. Coming across third will be the 2.5 of Tom Hampton. Fourth will go to the 112 of the Raging Cajun, Jason Naira. And fifth will go to the even we're racing down the front stretch. Factory stock action. 3 wide for second, third, fourth, and fifth. Still 3 wide up front. Hang on through 1 and 2. The Raging Cajun thought about going 6 wide in turn 2. You can't win it on the first lap, but you can definitely lose it on the first lap. Off of turn number 4, leading lap number 1, it's going to be the 01 of Jason Rinker.
Car going around in turn 4. That is the 2.5 of Hampton. And he is going to come to a stop now and bring out the caution here. So off of turn 4, field fires, green is back out. And we're back underway as Rinker will take him down into turn number 1, but pushes up the speedway. Travis trying to make the move to take over the lead as they head down off of turn number 2. Skelly and Williams going side by side for 3 and 4.
Thinking about going 3 wide into turn number 3 and 4. Jeremy Williams looking to remain perfect in regular season racing here. They go 3 wide down the front stretch. Jason Travis in the middle. Williams down low. Jason Rinker out front.
Into turns 1 and 2. That time Travis giving a shot to the Skelly 67. Actually gets his car a little bit sideways. He's going to lose position number 3 now, as Jeremy Williams in the 00 had at that time down at the line, as it's a 4-car breakaway out in front. Thomas rounding out the top 5 now in the 7X.
Jason Rinker shows the way. Kevin Skelly right there in the number 2 spot. 3rd, Jeremy Williams. 4th, Jason Travis. 5th, Jason Thomas. Rinker, the general, leads the way. The Snake Creek Marine car, he pushes up the speedway, rides that cushion. Kevin Skelly runs 2nd.
Make it 4 wide here in the back of the pack as they charge down into turn number 3. Your leader's coming down this time to put lap number 5 up on the lap counter. The 01 of Rinker setting the pace, but Skelly right there to show the nose on the bottom once again.
Kevin Skelly right there in that number 2 spot. Williams, he's watching them all, says you're not going to my victory lane.
Passing flag going out to the Towner 9X car, as we're going to have a 3-car battle down into turn number 1. Car off the pace sideways, the 9X of Towner right in front of the leaders. Clearing down to the infield, so green remains out as your leaders come down off of turn 4.
The general, Jason Rinker, out front, showing the way. Skelly in between the Raj Racers team cars, right there in 2nd. 4th is the T8 of Travis. Thomas 5th. Scheimer up to 6th with the starting scratch with engine issues.
This time by 8 laps complete. And yellow coming out as I believe there is a fire underneath the hood of the Towner 9X car down there. So that is the reason for the caution. With 7 laps, Rinker looking to fire off of 4. He does so. Green is out and we're back underway. Nice jump this time for the 01 of Rinker as they'll lead the charge into turn number 1. Skelly going to dive down to the inside. Williams right there. And then a car almost going around. Tom Hampton in the 2.5 had to back out to avoid making contact, so we'll stay green. Field coming down off of 4.
Jason Rinker looking for career win number 1 in his rookie season. Kevin Skelly right there 2nd. Williams 3rd. Travis 4th. 5th right now, the 7X of Thomas. Chris Scheimer trying to get himself up to the top 5, having engine problems. Seems to got it all fixed up now. They're all chasing the general, Jason Rinker. He rim rides the cushion. He's going to see 5 fingers from Chief Starter Raymond Ketterup. The hi, how are you? Lap 5 more trips around the speedway for the Snake Creek Marine. 1. And we got problems at turn 4. Green flag is out. Green flag is back on the speedway. Kevin Skelly right there in the number 2 spot.
Into turns 1 and 2. Skelly going to bobble. Here comes the 00 of Williams. Give position number 2 to Williams now. Skelly, though, going to stick the car up there on the outside. Going to battle for position number 2. Coming down off the corner. Going to be 4 to go for the 01 of Rinker.
The general, a Snake Creek Marine 01 ride. Jeremy Williams slides it up. He loses the number 2 spot to Skelly. He's going to try to motor back on the bottom. Nothing to it. Well, that's happening. It's allowing Jason Rinker to slowly pull away. He's got a car length between them. Looking for career win number 1 and season number 1 for the rookie. Driving the 01.
Williams able to make the pass now, and he's going to open up some ground. Car going around in turn 4. He's going to keep going. Problems for the 67 of Skelly, well off the pace as he loses several spots. Leaders coming down off of turn number 4, 13 complete. 2 laps remain for the 01 of Rinker.
Rinker 2 laps away from his first career win. Right rear flat tire on the Kevin Skelly machine. That's the culprit for the good run for the Skelly machine. Here we go. Jeremy Williams, he's greedy. He wants victory lane all to himself. He's going to work it on the bottom. Rinker on the outside. Rinker way up over the groove. He still stays side by side. White flag is out. The team cars into one. Rinker goes way up. Williams sideways. We could have a new feature winner tonight.
Down the backstretch, contact. A little more contact. Into turn 3, final time. Looking for his first win. The 01 of Rinker going to lead him off of turn number 4. And Rinker will hold on for the win. Jeremy Williams will finish second. Travis will finish in third. Tom Hampton fourth. And the 72 of Scheimer rounding out the top 5.
Jason Rinker. Jason, pick up your hardware and a hard-fought congratulations. First of all, what a race that was. First year in the car, first trip to victory lane. About halfway through the season's got to be feeling pretty good right now.
Yeah, it definitely feels pretty good. I do want to get in my teammate to win this race, but we got a little squirrely. I might have got a little excited coming out of 1 and 2 there.
This car is on rails. Doesn't matter where you put it, top, bottom, all over the racetrack. Pretty good for a rookie.
Yeah, I just close my eyes most of the time and hope for the best. Just stand on it and see what happens.
Well, it's obviously working. Whatever it is inside the car, there's going to be a lot of people behind us, you want to thank, and sponsors on the side of this car to help make this dream come true.
Oh, absolutely. I got Snake Creek Marine. I've got County Seat. I've got T&J Auto. I've got Devins, Joe's Garage. My crew, I can't say enough about the crew. Jeremy Williams is one of my teammates. He's helped me tremendously over the winter and this spring here. Eric and my crew chief, he's done a ton. Jay, all of them, everybody, my friends, all the other racers. The other racers are awesome here to run with. They're always willing to give advice. It's good times.
Now, there is one little thing, though. I'm pretty sure that Jeremy Williams has been a victory lane every time, but this one, you still going to get the advice from him? You think he's going to give it to you so willingly?
No, I think he's going to pull the curtain across the garage in the middle. He said he's got a shower curtain ready. I want to send this out to Dick Brees, who passed away a few weeks ago also. He's on the other side of the car.
Congratulations.
Thank you very much.
Ladies and gentlemen, your first time feature winner, Jason Rinker.